Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5, step by step, perfect for beginners in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your trading options, this guide will help you set up and start trading cryptocurrencies in no time. Let's dive in. First is open your MetaTrader 5. At the top left, click on the Market Watch. Now search for the cryptocurrency you want to add. For example, I want to add the BTC. After you find it, click it to show it to your market watch list. Next is click the tools and select New Order. Choose your crypto pair, set your volume, stop loss, and take profit. Then decide whether you want to buy or sell. And that's it. You've just learned how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5 easily with this 2025 beginner's guide. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more trading tutorials, and comment below what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.